Morning guys, June 29, 2023. This one I got a call from a guy. His AC's not working, so he's home in the morning. I told him to take a little time out of work in the morning. I'll go by there and, he wants me to go there at, after 5 type of thing. It's like, well, what day you gonna be home and first thing in the morning? I'll go by there and then you can go to work. So today's the day. I'm gonna go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on. He said it's icing up, so it's probably low on gas, so we'll figure it out.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Hathaway Road.
He seemed to know who I was, so maybe I worked for him before. Molly? What's Molly? It's 11/4/10 We checked the filters upstairs and it's giving off some, but it's probably a little low. I would say it's a little on the low side. See, at 70, we're not dropping, and we're low on our suction. I'm gonna put some gas in it. Give it a little juice. See what happens with a little juice. A little juice will do you, mama. Give it a little how you doing. I think we got a bad TXV. Bring our subcooling up a little bit there. We'll bring our subcooling up to 10. See what happens with the TXV. We got 70, it's too high. Got another tank on there, a brand new tank of refrigerant. I said that TXV might be questionable. Bring that subcooling up a little bit. Alright, I've got our subcooling about 9 or so. Let's see what our suction's at. I see a suction at 110, that's better. It's above freezing. Subcooling is going to be around 10 or so. Our superheat, that's still dropping. That's better. On 410, you're going to be above 100 on the suction, or it'll be freezing. An eye on this right here, make sure we're not dropping crazy amount. This starts dropping around 32, the coil's iced. Alright, we're gonna leave it right there. That's gonna be good. If these things leak, this will bubble up. Yeah, it looks like that one might be leaking a little bit, the high side. Some nice caps on there. low side might have a little leak on it. Nothing crazy, but don't hurt to put these caps on there. If there is a leak, this will stop it from leaking, these caps.